got that G and my nullos.
I'm just saying.
We pull up to the scene, they be filled with jealousy. If a bitch get
Stop!
finicky, she gon' bring the energy. I hit a phone with a
3, 2, 1, action.
La 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 la. So hello everyone, it's Saudi. I'm back for another video and I hope you guys are having a great time and welcome to my channel. Guys, I'm sorry you heard that tone. It's the song that's been in my head from one of the TikTokers. She looks like the one Tatum, also Shannon Tatum's ex. So it has been in my head. But anyway, I'm ready to get into this Jollibee, the Valentine series. I checked it once and I really liked it and I want to see what they did for 2021. It's called First Date, Hero and Long Distance Relationship, LDR. Okay. Honey, I love this series because it's so unique. So let me see. Oh, First Dates. Okay now.
Sinong mag-aakalang I could find
It
love
has
at this time?
Okay. Come to the French bands. I know.
Ngayon pang malayo sa lahat, laging mag-isa.
I know.
Pero somehow, I found you.
Oh, honey. Oh.
Hi, miss.
It's like a movie. Okay now. The hair flip, okay?
Oh yeah, sure.
Hmm?
Bye.
Oh. So who did she call?
Salamat, nandyan ka. Someone filled with so much joy.
Oh, you know, okay now.
Yung nag-push sa akin beyond my comfort zone.
Oh,
At habang nakikilala kita,
oh, it gave her more
I
confidence.
realize how much you deserve to be loved. So tonight, I celebrate finding that someone.
Oh, girl.
Jollibee delivery for Miss Mara.
For a second, I thought he was the one.
Someone who was in me all along.
Oh, honey, sometimes that's like no one is watching, guys. Oh, God. If I go to the Philippines, that's the first thing I want to eat, the Jubilee stuff.
Braver,
I want to go there and eat.
stronger.
Oh,
Hi, miss. Do you need help?
No, it's okay. I got this. Thank you.
oh, damn.
More dependable.
Oh,
Kaya ko nga pala, Mr. Fix-It.
oh, yes, girl. She's like, I'm independent. Okay now.
Bolder.
Yeah. She's ready for a change. When a lady
More love.
does that to herself, she's
Dahil
ready for a
na-realize
change.
ko,
Yeah.
I can give joy to others more.
I love that. When I watch China
When I give
videos,
myself the
I'm
care
like,
and the love that I deserve.
you know, it's so cute. I'll be too sweet, right? Oh, fuck me. Oh. She's like, I'm bolder now. I can make the first move if I want. You see? Okay, that outfit is cute. Rose gold crop top. The more you love and believe in yourself, the better you can love. True. Find strength in love. Oh, this is so sweet. Okay, you know what? I want to check the other one now. I'm sorry. Oh, okay. The other one is Hero. Let's see Hero. Okay. And it's inspired by a true story. This series, it's like the truth. Oh. And an evil
I'm proud of
comes
you, strong
along, and it's when to carry
Ganito ako
on.
pinalaki ng
That's-
dad ko.
Matapang, malakas ang loob.
Honey. Oh, she's an
Lahat ng
artist.
hirap kayang harapin. Pero, di
Oh,
ko
she can-
akalaing
Ooh.
susubukan ng tapang ko ng
I wish I had that gift. Or I wish I didn't lose it.
And that's when you showed me what being strong really means.
Oh wow. Oh, that is a cute mask. That's really cute. Yeah. I know, right? Yeah, honey. Oh, that's true. Anywhere you want. Oh my gosh.
Nakatawag lang nila from the house.
What happened?
Positive daw si Dad.
COVID has really. I lost a friend last year from COVID.
Your love.
It has really changed me. Like my priorities has really changed ever since I lost him. Like it's like.
I'm here for you, babe. No matter how long it takes.
Kahit nahirapan ka, hindi mo ako iniwan. The days
COVID.
began with sadness.
You're just so scared because you
Your
don't.
love filled me with joy.
Oh, the food. The love of the food filled her with joy. Oh wow. Jubilee, the Jubilee food is like a superpower.
And when the pain was just too much, your love was there to heal me.
I think most of the dates in the Philippines are done in Jubilee. Or Jollibee, right? Oh, Jollibee. Why do I say Jubilee? Oh, because Jubilee. Oh, we are used to that.
Kaya
Not Jollibee.
kahit
Oh,
wala man sa tabi ko si Dad,
I'm so stupid, ain't I?
nakayanan ko ang lahat ng ito.
Jollibee.
Thanks to you.
No. Don't tell me it's what I'm thinking. You're fucking kidding. Oh, okay. Oh my god. Guys, I was so scared. I thought it was like a burial they were going for, thank god. Oh, that would have freaked me out. Oh, he made it, thank god. Oh, honey. Oh, that's so cute. Stop now. Oh, she's like, yes,
You
honey.
made me realize that even when I thought I was strong,
I needed you.
in
Oh,
my weakest moment,
oh, stop.
your love made me stronger.
Oh, stop now. You make me want to fall in love. Oh, honey. Yes, you can see my face, honey. Oh, I love you. Okay, this one. Oh, this took the game. This one is a whole different level. Well. Okay, this one is so. This is so. Okay, let me see the next one. Okay, this is sweet. Oh, let's see. The last one is long distance. Lord have mercy. What did they do for long distance? Oh,
Love, can you hear me? What
Honey.
do you think of long distance relationships?
can you do long distance? I don't know.
Definitely not for me. I mean, is it even a real relationship?
Erka,
Oh?
let's see.
Sige, sunod ako ah.
Huh, long distance. I wouldn't mind it provided it stays long distance. But I'm scared that then
And no
if I
matter
get
how
used
often
to
we
it, I
talk,
may not want the person
it's
to.
just
I don't know. Long
Walang
distance.
actions. At pagkatapos ng lahat ng to,
You guys can still take care of your
mag-isa
businesses,
ka pa rin.
but you're in a relationship. That's not a bad
Kaya
idea.
ako, I promised myself, never ako magkaka-LDR.
Oh, you did? Then opportunity came and. Oh. She's like, I can never do long distance. Okay. No.
sa ayaw at sa gusto ko.
You can always take tips from Heart Evangelista how they do
Nagka-LDR
it.
ako. Lockdown relationship.
Girl, I don't even try any
Sino ba yung
longer,
girl na
girl.
comment sa post?
I have to be honest.
She's just a coworker. Why? So there's nothing to worry about.
Oh.
I love you.
Hindi ko kaya.
Yup. She's like, I'm not so sure any longer, guys.
Ayoko na yata.
Long distance can be, I don't know.
Paano ka magmamahal kung hindi kayo nagkikita?
Can you guys do long distance? Let me know.
Lalo kung nasanay ka nang laging nandyan siya. Pero diba, pag mahal mo,
Let's see.
hindi ka susuko.
COVID or
Kakapit ka lang.
sorry, it's cold outside because we just had our snow the other day.
Lalaban ka lang.
Oh, my nose. Okay. Babe, remember our first. Oh, honey. Oh, so now you're now doing long distance, girl? Oh, so the Jollibee became the. Okay.
Our favorite meal.
Oh.
Wear your favorite dress daw.
Surprise, babe. Ganda mo naman, babe.
Oh, honey. Oh, you ain't playing, guys.
Cheers.
I guess when you're in love, you do crazy things. Okay, now. It's so cute, but. Ooh.
We have the stats.
Oh, okay. I thought he was about to say, I have something to confess. I was about to. Oh, that's so cute. Oh, okay, this is okay. You guys stop. This beat, oh, it makes me feel mushy.
Kasi diba, ganun ang nagmamahal.
Oh, this is so mushy in a cute way though. But mushy, you guys know what I mean, right? Oh,
Pipiliin mo siya.
stop now. Oh, stop. Oh. Distance means nothing, bitches. When someone means, yeah, it's so I've heard. Yeah. What if you guys are in two different continents? What do you do then? Woo! Honey, what do we think? It's so, okay now. I'm here for it. Anyway, I cannot wait to see you guys soon in the next video from Saturday and DAWSON Studios. All this light be blinding me. Woo! Bye, guys! Woo!
If I don't do it now, I'll blow it.
Cause I'm loving myself real good. Did you guys hear that? I'm scared. In a way that you never could.